We're looking big. We're looking big.
No, 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 no. Breaking news, breaking news. The Tampa Bay Buccaneers have recruited a new general manager. Halftime Newell stepping up to the plate. Let's go. The Tampa Bay Buccaneers are in emergency need of new leadership. They're a good team. They're making the playoffs. But look at that. They got eliminated right away against Washington. That's not okay. Look at this. They've been in the playoffs for the last 5 years, but only 1 Super Bowls. Come on, we need to save this ship. Let's go get a Super Bowl. So, we had 2 votes for the Chicago Bears. And looking at them, they seem like a good team. But the record, well, 7-10, not so good. But in the end, Vix decided to change and vote for the Tampa Bay Buccaneers. So, that is why we're choosing the Tampa Bay Buccaneers. Someone told me that someone told me, I watched on YouTube that we should have Campbell as an offensive playbook. Defensive playbook, I don't really know. And of course, since I am from cold Sweden, we have to go with the big puffer jacket. I think the main issue they have is that they haven't had any Swedish-born coaches so far. I think that's crucial. So starting our league, the fans are excited. The fans have been waiting for this forever. I don't want to play the preseason, so let's go to the regular season. I've played some, FIFA career mode, so I know ish what to do in terms of playing the games and so on. But yeah, this looks like a lot. Well, I think the first thing we need to do is take a look at our roster. Take a look at our lineup. And, well, I don't understand this, but I know overalls. So, first looking at our QB, we got Mayfield, 79 overall. That's not good enough in my opinion. Well, what I think is that your QB needs to be one of your star players, not only 79. But I've learned that WR are wide receivers, and this looks good. We got Goodwin and Evans, both 85 and 91 overall. And then in the offensive line, it's not looking that good. I mean, Wirfs is 94, but look at this guy, Mosh, 68, 67. I don't like that. We need some better, right? Defense, though. Vea, 90 overall. And Winfield Jr., 94 overall. Defense looking good. 90, look at that. And also 80. Come on, this is a good team, isn't it? Let me know what we should do. What traits you want to see. I think all of these storylines and so on, it's up to us to create. So I think we should start with playing a game. Ooh, I think this might, they kicked us out in real life in the playoffs this year. So I think Washington should be our rivals. Is that real? Do we have that? We're the Pirates. Puffer jacket in summer. Mayfield looking like a leader. The storyline is like this. It's a new season. The Tampa Bay, it's now or never. We need to win the Super Bowl. Or do we do a rebuild? I think we should go for a Super Bowl, right? Let's see how we play against the Washingtons. The fans are excited. The new coach is here. It's a new era in the Tampa Bay Buccaneers history. Let's go. Yeah, I don't know these plays, so I'm just pressing buttons. But it looks like I learned that you do this. I'm going for Shepard, I think. Yep, let's go. That's good. That's good.
That is caught. And down he goes, taking it inside the 10, just shy of the 5 at the 6. That's good for a
I panicked. Come on, I panicked. All right. I think I pressed the run. Who should I pass? RB. Yep. I'm running. Come on. Come on.
Reinforcements come in as they're going to stop him behind the line.
I thought I was Tavon Austin there for a while.
Second down.
Well, it's almost football.
Okay, no running, I guess.
Your safeties, don't let anyone get behind you to the last line of defense.
Yep.
Come to him.
Why, right?
Went to the play. How about that
There we go.
read and
This is good.
recognition and finishing off
Oh,
that one behind
thought
the
it was a
line.
turnover.
And that nearly an
I think the players are feeling the pressure. It's a new season. The fans are super excited.
It's third down.
Third and goal. We got 2 more attempts. Yep. Give me the ball. I'm ready. Hut.
From the shotgun, it's
I actually see some space. It is going to. It did it. It did it. We got a touchdown. We got a touchdown. And I talked crap about Mayfield.
first in the season opener.
Let's go.
That's a really good decision right there outside
I'm
the
proud of
pocket.
that.
You got it.
I'm proud of that. All right, let's go. Your defense needs your help. All right, this is my first time playing defense, so
It's a red zone alert as this defense
Oh,
faces
okay.
a first and 10 in the final minute of the opening quarter. Washington with the football here to begin quarter number 2.
yeah, this might be difficult. It's the first time that the fans are seeing our defense. Britt, do I get any indication of where I should be?
Eckler running to the right. And they lose yardage
Well, he got nowhere.
back to the 19-yard line.
I think his name is Daniels, the quarterback.
That's going to bring up second.
This is our rival. Let's get his ass. Oh, what's going on? What's going on? Yeah, get out of here. Third and 6. We're doing good, right?
It'll go down as a gain of 6. And
Cover
just
for
like that,
show.
it's third down. They are in need of 6 yards here if they hope to move the chains.
Whoa. Okay, I'm going.
He's got his
Get it. Get it. Ooh.
And the Commanders are going to have first and goal as they
This is
try to
fun.
finish off this drive with
All
6
right.
points. A
Who
chance
should we
for
touch
their
on?
first
Where
win
is
of the season
Vea?
here as it's first
We
and
got Britt
goal.
and David. Are they good in real life? All right. Press Y to call protect sticks. Okay, I'm doing it. Protect sticks.
Eckler
No.
is into the end zone. Touchdown, Washington.
Boy, 2 long, sustained drives by each team to start
He's
things out.
copying our celebration. There's no way. These guys are our rivals. I'm sorry, any Washington guys, but you do not deserve to be on my friend list. Right, defense again. Whew. I don't know if I'm good at
See what
defense.
this defense can do here.
Gregory.
Ball at the 18-yard line in the red zone. To the air goes
Oh, look at me. Look at me.
And that's going to be knocked
Nothing. Who was that by?
It's incomplete.
Isian.
Sometimes we talk about
Nothing.
defense, we're just about a defender
Nothing.
running with a receiver, but a big part of it is understanding where the football is, finding it. In this case, when it arrived, it wasn't a surprise.
Oh,
It was
no.
batted away.
Oh. This is tough. Where should I do? I don't want to play these guys that's tackling the QB. That's tough. Spread. Okay, I'm doing some sort of communication. Yep, I see where I'm going. We got a turnover.
And it's intercepted.
Isian. Was that Isian?
They're going to have it here just past the 25.
Christian Isian.
Throw that
He's so good.
He just didn't see where the defense was. Whatever
You know,
the
guys, this is the new era in Tampa Bay. Wow, I'm sorry about the sound. That happened to me as well. 2-minute drill, get some points. Okay. Let's do a pass. Yep, I'm here. Hey, that's good. Come on. You know, I'm good at offense.
Back-to-back nice gains. That one for 14 yards and another first.
I'm panicking. No.
And he cannot avoid the pressure as the Washington pass rush gets home.
Okay, we need to do something here.
Defense rising to the challenge and setting him back on the
Okay.
sacks. A growing
I'm looking at
this
Y
first
here.
half. This is
Yep.
second and long. From the gun, Mayfield, left side here, that's complete to Godwin.
3rd and 18.
Able to break one
Okay, we need to go right away, right?
down, but a nice little
We don't
gain.
have time.
So the completion good for 6
No,
yards.
okay.
And they're going to be staring at a
All right,
third and long here.
7-7.
So we've reached halftime. All right, we will save the week 1 highlights and apparently get right back to the action here in the 3rd.
All right, now I don't know what I'm doing.
Welcome back.
Kick. Okay. New kicking styles. Placement for... Okay, this is something I don't know about, but I know when you give the possession away, you kick the ball. I have no idea what to do, but let's just kick it as far as we can see, right?
We'll see if
Bye-bye.
fatigue becomes
Hey.
a factor as we are back underway in the 2nd half.
All right. The Tampa Bay wall. The big Tampa Bay wall. He's not going anywhere. What happened? Wasn't that good? No, I missed. That's true. Oh, red zone alert. Let's follow the game plan, right? Run. 2nd and 7.
Situation for this defense. Can they stand up? We are through 3
Okay, 3 quarters.
here.
Oh, only 1 quarter. This is a good game. No, I think I picked the wrong one. I'm looking at B. B. Yep, I'm ready. I'm ready. I'm ready. Give me the ball. What's going on? Snap, give me the ball.
They'll try to throw here. Mayfield.
Ah, I'm panicking again. I'm panicking again.
He's taken down. Jonathan.
Ah, I hate these guys.
Once again, that's 2 sacks
I'm
for
doing a
him.
run. I can't pass right now.
Well, this drive, they're
What's the button? Y, okay.
3rd down conversions, but they need a full 10
Oh, that's good.
yards here.
That's good.
And he's going to get this to about the 20.
Oh.
That is well short
All
of what
right.
they needed.
Do we kick it now?
Give him a couple on the run as it brings up a
Yeah,
fourth
let's get some points on the board.
down. Don't you?
Oh no, I don't know what to do here.
Look at the clock. Look at the
Middle.
situation. Kick the field goal.
That's good, right?
And his kick here is
Boom!
good.
Let's go. This is good. 10-7. All right. Come on, defense. Come on, defense. Game plan mid blitz. Let's do it.
Get the stop they need and get the ball back to their offense.
I think I can get by here. Look at me, Gregory.
From the
Yeah, look at me.
shotgun, it's Daniels.
Okay.
He'll drop this one off.
He's all alone. He's all alone.
And he's got this down almost to the 20 before he's dropped.
Okay, guys. We need to have a speech here. Defense. It's a timeout. It's a timeout. It's a real life timeout. Okay, Tampa Bay defense. Come on. This is the first game of the season. The first home game. Do it for the fans. Do it for the fans. They've been waiting for the new owner, the new coach. Let's get to it. Come on.
Again, that's now 31 yards combined.
Look at Gregory again. I think I can just get by and get to Daniels.
To throw is Daniels.
I think I got him. I got him. Oh, I got him.
Go down. Back at the
That's good.
6-yard
That's good. We got this.
line. Hauled down for the first time this game.
Hey, are you fighting?
Defenders in there to drop him.
Let's go again. I mean, Gregory is a beast. Why not 2 minutes warning?
Points separating these two sides.
Ooh, the fans are excited. The first game of the new season.
So it's Commanders football as we get back to it. They'll come up now on 2nd down.
Gregory, I seem to be a bit blocked now.
And that falls to the ground.
Nothing. This is so good. We're getting them. Let's get one more stop.
Now it brings up 3rd down.
Gregory, I'm looking to just get past to Daniels now.
Back to throw. Being chased out left. And he works his way past the line of scrimmage and then slides
This is good,
to
right?
goal.
Like any team,
Are they
they're
kicking?
looking for touchdowns to try and help their cause.
All right.
But in this
If we
case,
block this, we win, right?
closer at least, if they think a field goal turns out to be the better call here.
Blankenship's kick is good.
Damn. All right. 10-10. Get a score. Play the lead. Let's get the lead. Let's get the win.
They need to get this around the 40. to
I
have
mean,
a
this
chance
is
to win
good.
the regulation. From the 40, it's a 50
Oh shit, yeah. I'm too excited. Look at White, RB. Let's get to RB. Do we? Yeah, look at him. Look at him.
If they end up running a play and get tackled in bounds, they're worried the clock may run
No
out
one saw that.
and finish the game.
Why don't we have any game plans on offense? I would love that.
So he's unable to complete it there, and just not the game that you would expect.
Um,
He's been off the mark, really start to finish.
Let's get Shepard.
You wonder what exactly is going on. Is he a little bit dinged up here?
Shepard.
Or is he just off just by
Yes,
a
now we're
bit?
talking.
Maybe
Ooh, damn, he fell down.
situation.
Flex.
And he's going to be touched down, but he's got the first down.
Man, Shepard is good.
Huge first
Shepard
down,
is
gotta
good.
hurry.
Yeah, now they have to get up
Ooh, I'm
there,
nervous.
set, and then spike it.
All 3 timeouts still at their disposal. Here's 1st and 10 now.
Let's go.
Mayfield.
I am looking at... Who am I looking... Oh, no!
And he can't get a throw off. He's taken down.
Ah.
A huge
All right, 2nd and 19. We need a long pass here, I think. 4 seconds. Come on. Go, 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 go. All right.
So 4
What's this then?
quarters wasn't enough, and we are
Overtime?
on to overtime. Don't change
This is
that
good
time.
game.
And here in overtime,
What happens now?
that receives the ball scores a touchdown, it's over. If they don't, we can still have some more football.
Okay.
That's exactly right. If they
So
go
we
down
need
and kick a
offense.
field goal, the other team gets a possession to either match it or score a touchdown to win the ball game. If both teams kick field goals, the next team to score wins. But if
Receive.
the receiving team throws a pick six or fumbles the ball and gets picked
Defend
up by
left.
the defense and they score, the game is over.
What a
at that point.
game. I'm just winging it again here.
So conditioning going to be a factor here. Who can hold up to the test?
Big kick.
It's overtime.
The Tampa Bay wall. Here we are. Here we are. He's not going nowhere. He's not going nowhere.
And they'll start this drive just to
Play moment.
a lot on the
All right,
line
let's
in
go.
this
Okay, I'm back here. I see him.
situation.
That's the GOAT. It looks like I'm going to defend here. Yeah, okay.
It's caught on the right side by Robinson.
It's good. Okay. Okay, let's go. We can get the win.
First drive of overtime coming up. So this offense, they could end it if they can punch it into the end zone. A field goal.
Why? 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 No!
Away. It's incomplete.
Damn.
Here's 2nd
We
and
go.
10.
We go again. What? Are they leading? I missed that. We need to get some points on the board. B, 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 B. Right away. Right away. Right away.
And his throw is
No.
gonna be
Come on.
A couple of quick incompletions.
Um,
Just one more away from getting off the field.
Come on, Mayfield.
Options
It's
now.
their time now.
Couple blitz here, or just drop everyone into coverage to crack
I got some
the
space.
lanes.
I got some space.
And they get him down.
First down.
Across the 40-yard
Mayfield, I love you.
Remember, Brandon, he ran for a touchdown.
All right, I'm looking at the left side here.
Decision to go ahead and tuck it in
Um,
again. Turned out to be a wise
Let's
one.
get a big one. X.
is what is important here.
No, no, no.
Tuck it and go. Oh, he was hit as he
I'm
threw
panicking,
it.
guys. I'm sorry. I'm screaming a lot.
Complete. 2nd and 10.
I need some strategy. X. X. He looks good.
Mayfield.
Why are you not running up?
And oh my gracious.
This is bull.
Just clutch that and fall into the
I'm not
garbage
getting the
in
routes I
overtime
want.
victory, but instead
Okay,
we
A.
keep going.
A. Yep.
Here's Baker.
I see you.
Looking downfield for Godwin.
No.
Knocked away and incomplete.
There is something
Ah, we need to go, right?
trying to keep a defense honest.
Come on, last attempt, guys. This is for the Tampa Bay history. This is to start this new era. This is to do something special. 4th down. Let's get this goal. Touchdown, I mean.
You do
Who
so.
are we looking
Send it
for?
deep,
I'm going for
try to
X.
clear
I'm going for
under
X.
and hope you connect downfield.
I'm going for
On that
X.
play, they run successful.
I'm going for X. First down.
And he'll take this to the
First
other
down.
side of midfield
That's good.
before going out of bounds. So this drive going to continue following the conversion on 4th. Here's 1st and 10.
We're looking big. We're looking big.
Field to throw. Nowhere to go here. He lost the
No, 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 no.
juice it up.
What is that? Okay, guys, come on. That's. I'm raging. This is. My nerves are going crazy for this. I pressed Y because I thought I would give him the ball. Not that they would do this freaking. Not that they would just flip the ball. That is.
4-yard line. And a costly mistake.
Get out of here. I don't want to see you guys. I don't want to see him. Oh, it's the loss. It's a loss. The Tampa Bay.
I wonder if maybe they talk about it too much.
Mayfield is disappointed. Played a good game.
Discuss asking it time and time
We got some
again, and
good
you know the
ICL, I
overall
think it was
side
called, and then we had some
became self-fulfilling.
And any
good
points
offense as
made from
well.
here, field goal or a touchdown now. So that'll just about do it for Charles Davis. I'm Brandon Gaudin. You've been watching the NFL.
The main point is that we got our new rivals, the Washington Commanders and Daniels, I think. Yep. What can we do? Guys,
Players on your team earned XP. Quickly upgrade your team at
let's
the
just
end of each game.
upgrade these guys. All right, guys. First game of the season, we lost. Next week, we got another game. We got, I think it's 15 or 16 games to play in this season. So many more games to win. I think we could have won that. I fumbled. I did. Blame the coach. Let's create some storylines. What do you guys want? We got a Discord server as well. If you want to create some fun art to send in, I will show it, of course, and we'll talk about it. But the Tampa Bay, yeah, 0-1 to start the season. Give me some tips. Who should we trade for? What should we do? Talk to you soon, guys. Take care. See you soon.